This is the Hisense 125 litre bar fridge. It comes in 3 colour options such as white, stainless steel and black. Footy finals are coming up. You got platters and everything in the fridge. You need that extra space, but you don't want to go buy a huge fridge. This one here is the perfect size drink fridge for the family. You can have your cans, bottles, juices ready to roll. This particular product is a popular choice for our customers because of its height. You can fit it under most cabinets in the area. Value for money. With the Hisense product backed with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty, 125 litres capacity, this unit here is ready for game day, it's ready for Christmas, it's ready for Easter, it's ready for Monday to Sunday. This is the product for your house.